Good evening. This is me doing IXL 8th grade, section V, lesson 13, which is multiply using the distributive property. So I'm going to distribute in the 2, get 4h plus 2 times 3 is 6. I'm going to distribute in the 4, get 8 plus 4 times 3 is 12j. I'm going to distribute in the 5 the other direction, which 5 times 5 is 25u, plus 1 times 5 is 5. I'm going to distribute in the 3. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 9k. I'm going to distribute in the 2. 2 times 7 is 14k, plus 2 times 2 is 4. I'm going to distribute in the -2 the other direction. -2 times -2 is 4v. 5 times -2 would be a -10. 3 times 4 is 12d. Minus 6 times 3 is 18. -3 times 2 would be a -6s. And -3 times 1 is a -3. 3 times -4 is a -12p. 5 times 3 is 15. That's going to give us a -8 plus, negative times a negative is positive, 8k. -2 times 3 is 6, -6. And negative times a negative is plus 2m. -5 times 2 is -10. -5 times -2 is a positive 10r. -6 times 7 is going to be a -42. Not an equals, a -42. -6 times -2 is a plus 12r. 4 times 5 is 20. Minus 4 times 2 is 8d. 8 times 2 is 16j. Minus 8 times 7 is 56. Ooh, 0.8. 0.8 times g is a 0.8g. Minus 1 times 0.8 is 0.8. 8.1 times q is still just 8.1q. And then double 8.1 is going to be minus 16.2. All right, we get a negative 8.8d. It's going to be a plus whatever 8.8 times 2.5 is. And I'm actually going to grab a calculator. 8.8 times 2.5 to speed things up gives me 22. 5.1 times 6.1, 5.1 times 6.1 is 31.11, 31.11 minus 20.4. I can do that one in my head, 20.4b. 2.4 times 3, I can do that one in my head. That's 12, 13.2, that's negative 13.2 minus, that's going to be 8. Nope, that isn't negative 13.2. I just about made a mistake. It's 6 plus 12, 7.2, negative 7.2. Almost made a mistake. Double negative there. 7.2 minus 4 times 2.4, that's 8 and 16, so 9.6, 9.6k. And I did it. I did that in less than however many minutes that was. 3 minutes, 33 seconds. Hopefully that helped.